Hi, this is Andy, and I'm working on this game called GolemShow. It's a bit like chess meets Pokemon, and it's made in the Lua programming language using the Love2D framework. Um, Over the past week or so, I've been adding more ability effects to the units so they have more things they can do. Right now, we're going to pick this Wood Fox. I've added several status effects, several ability effects, like more instant ability effects. Right now, I've also removed haste, so when you deploy a unit, it can't do anything else once you deployed it. It just kind of has summoning sickness for a turn. And right now, I'm going to not do anything because I want to see if I can apply stuck on this guy. So right now it's stuck, which means it cannot leave its space by any means. It cannot move until knocked out, but attacking a unit with a status effect will remove the status effect. So right now, last turn, this sandwich dog used this swap stats effect on itself, which made it swap its stats. If its power and toughness were of different types, it would have swapped the types as well. So if this was like this was a food type and this was, say, a chemistry type toughness, they would have swapped types as well. So right now I think it swaps stats again, and I can attack it. Now I can move towards the leader. I can also win by attacking the sandwich dog and leaving them without units. So I won that. And I can take this doggo, which has a few status effects as well. Trying to see why this guy didn't move. Yeah, so the lever dog has, I gave it a burn, which has a temporary sprite, ignore that. But burn means they take 1 damage every turn, but attacking a unit with the status effect removes the status effect, so you want to think carefully about when you want to attack it. So right now the dog swapped stats with using its ability to swap stats, but then it took 1 damage from the burn at the end of the turn. I can attack this. I can also give this stuck. The fox also has a transform effect, so if I want this following turn, I can transform the dog into another fox. Right now all of the ability effects and status effects that apply like a lasting thing are quite powerful because I didn't give them any kind of temporary feature yet, so status effects just kind of last until someone attacks that unit. And if there was a thing like increasing power, which I have among my effects, those also like last forever basically. But in the future I'll add more temporary stuff to it, so they only last 1 turn. It looks like that guy died for some reason. So this phone cat, which I gave it craft type stats, can only attack diagonally, can only ram diagonally. Ram means move or attack, and it wasn't able to do anything to our leader, so it didn't attack. And now I can just win. Boop. And I can keep adding units. The sandwich dog, like I said, it had that stat swapping thing, and it also has swap places and diagonal backwards, where it can swap places with the unit, and that's useful for both bringing allies forward or pushing enemies back. I also have a push effect, but I don't think I put that on anyone right now. Yeah, so in the future I'll add more effects and things, and more better graphics, better UI. But right now I have a kind of temporary in progress demo of the game available for download for Windows PC on itch.io. So I'll put a link to that in the comments or in the description, so you can try the game as it is right now. Thank you.